सो डियर फ्रेंड्स, वेरी गुड मॉर्निंग। कैसे हैं आप लोग? एवरीथिंग इज फाइन। ओके, सो टुडे we will start a new chapter, chapter number 8. The name of the chapter is Introduction to Trigonometry. So trigonometry means, what does it mean? Sir, we have read triangle. Triangle not read, or we know also. So tri and angle. We know the triangle. We know the polygon. Poly and gon. But and we know also metry. Metry. We have read geometry. In geometry. So whatever I have read, trigonometry, the three words, keep here. Triangle means this is the triangle. Right angle triangle, many triangles are there. Gon, polygon means triangle is also a polygon. After that, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon means there I have taught you gon means side, polygon. So there here are three sides, so this is triangle, or you may say trigon also. Trigon, three sides. This is called quadrilateral, but you may say quadrigon. Gon means side, quadri means four, and that's an pentagon. Penta means five, and gon means sides. So in polygon, triangle and quadrilateral, these two terms are special. Triangle, otherwise it may be called trigon, and this is quadrilateral. So okay, so we have read trigon means triangle, triangle means trigon. What does mean by metry? So metry, we have heard this word geometry. At that place it was taught to you, geo means earth, just like geography was there. Geo and graphy. Graphy means photography, graphy means to draw anything. So geography is the science in which we draw the graph, the photo of the earth. Geometry is the science, means mathematics. Actually mathematics is the language of science. So geometry means mathematics in which geo means earth is measured. So sir, geometry, till now we have read only the line. Okay, you have read a line, this angle, and then area, the volume. Sir, this was all geometry. So where was the earth? Actually earth means whatever we are looking here, our surrounding. Earth means not only earth, the ground, means any three-dimensional things is there. If any three-dimensional thing is there, just like this duster, so this is the topic of geometry. What is the dimension of this, what is the volume, and suppose I have to paint it in a red color, so how much paint is required, means surface area. These all are geometry, and the area was used for the measurement of ground cultivation. So geometry is the mathematics included length. First, to know the area, we should to measure the length. Sometimes in different figures it is also required to measure the length and angle. So that's why the angles is taught separately, then area, and then volume. Area, because to find the volume we need area sometimes. Because the formula, just like area of the rectangle, length into breadth, and volume of the cuboid, length, breadth and height. You are looking, this is the 2-dimensional and this is the 3-dimensional. These all are covered in geometry. And polygon, the name polygon means straight lines. Polygon is a topic of the class 5th. Polygon, curve was there. Curve means this was the open curve in class 6. In class 6, this was open curve, this was closed curve, and this was just like this. This is also closed curve, but this is not simple because 2 points are crossing here. So simple means just like no crossing point should be there. Means what I'm telling about polygon, it was taught in class 6th. Polygon means polygons. These are the closed curve. These are closed. This is also closed, but it is not simple. It is simple. This is the polygon. Polygon means simple. Simple means no crossing should be there. Just like this is the line. Yes, this is polygon. No, because it is not simple. It has cross here. So only boundary, we should have only boundary. So that was the polygon. Polygons means simple, means no, simple closed figure made up of straight lines. So that why triangle is a polygon, trigon, quadrigon, quadrilateral. Actually lateral means also side. This is quadrilateral. Quadri means 4 and lateral means side. Then you will see, sir, lateral means side, gon means side. Yes, these are the terminology. So we have to understand, and because this has been developed at a different time spans and different countries. So some person have said polygon, some person have lateral. Just like lateral, you have heard the word lateral means side. Equilateral triangle. This was lateral means equilateral triangle. Equilateral means all the equi means equal, and lateral. Equilateral triangle means all the sides are equal. Means in the name of the any terms you can find very lot of meanings. Okay, so I have told you gon means side, lateral means also side. This work. Triangle, because it was named on the basis of the angle, because angle is very important. And triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle, obtuse angle, many things are there. I will teach you. So what does it mean by trigonometry? Trigonometry, what do you think? Is it an new mathematics? No, it's only a branch of geometry. In geometry, we study about the polygon. Polygon, a special type of polygon is triangle. So these are related. Okay, now geography, photography is there. Okay, so quadrilateral. So trigon means triangle's measurement, the measurement of triangle. That is called trigonometry. The question is, these all are geometry. So geometry, what type of mathematics we have? How many types of mathematics we have? Because this terms is going to be continue for the 3 to 4 years of your study. Trigonometry, trigonometrical equations, trigonometrical relations. So in geometry, what we have read, in geometry, the terms will come again, because geometry is the study of triangle also. Geometry is geometry, what is the relation between geometry and one of the other mathematics, numbered system in class 10th, chapter number 1, algebra. In number system, numbers are there, means square roots. So how these mathematics are related to each other, so I want to tell you. Okay, so you have drawn in your copy, because not is only for the understanding. So polygon. So you have understood the actual things is geometry, polygon, these all. So actually measurement in geometry is a big terms, you know, all the mathematics, full scale mathematics is divided mainly in two parts. The first things was measure, the length was measure, and then write. Just like I have this scale, I have this pen, I have this duster, I have sheets, I have to measure. Measure means geometry. And after the measurement, you have to write its value. The length of this one is equal to this, the length of this pen, the measurement. So geometry is the measurement, and when the geometrical terms, the length is retained in the terms of number, digits, that's are called arithmetic, oncoganit, Ank means how will you write the length. So whole mathematics is divided mainly in three parts, and you see these are not any special things. Actually geometry means measurement, and arithmetic means arith and matic. Again you have a word mathematic, this is arithmetic. So you can say the whole mathematics, this is mathematics, math and matics. Sometimes in salt it is called maths, because the matic is word is no use, maths only, but the full terms is mathematics. And mathematics has two main part, one is arithmetic and one is geometry. Actually the mathematics we have to weight how much, means suppose how much weight of this book, so kilogram. So kilogram we will measure something, measure, you know, everything, what is the speed, what is the height, these all are included in measurement, geometry. So geometry, mathematics has basically two parts, arithmetic and geometry. Arithmetic means whatever you have read, number, digit, and then even, odd number, prime number, composite number, many things. After that divisibility rules, tables, division, multiply, means whatever maths, division, multiply, and many things, just like squares of number, square root, means chapter number 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, chapter number 1, number system. And number system you will get, means in class of 3rd, 4th you are taught about table, that was arithmetic. In digits, number, squares number, prime number, composite number, these all are included in arithmetic, because these are the mathematics of numbers, means how the number is divisible, multiples, factor, fraction you have read in class 8th na. And be sure that most of the times first in the class 1, 2, 3, 4 no geometry in your mathematics. In class first, when you were studying in class 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, in starting arithmetic was there, number, counting 1, 2, 3, 4, table, this one, then division, then multiplication. And after in class 4th, I think 3rd and 4th, some types of geometry is included. Geometry means line, measure the length of the line. So you have measured, you have drawn a line and then measure, so it was 8 centimeter. Sometimes more than 8 centimeter, so 8.5 centimeter means before it you should to know decimals also. Decimals is in arithmetic. How to add, how to multiply, how to divide. Suppose I will say, okay, draw in this line of 8.5 centimeter, and then this is decimal, this is fraction, then divides in two parts, so divided by 2. So how will you do it? Means actually the geometry is our target. The geometry is our target, and the arithmetic is the tool. Arithmetic is providing tool. These are the two coins, the two faces of a same coin, arithmetic and geometry. So geometry, then you will measure squares, area 1 centimeter square, 2 centimeter square, then multiply. Just like I will say 1.5 centimeter multiply 3.4 centimeter. So before that you should to know how to multiply of decimals. So that will be in arithmetic. So this is our target. Geometry is our target, and arithmetic is providing tool. Just like doctor, doctor has to operate any patient. This is the target, and whatever the tools he will use, just like computer and catchy, scissor, like these tools. Okay, so the target is geometry. This is providing only number, division, multiplication. We can fast squares and square roots, many things you have read in class 8th. The geometry, slowly geometry you have been taught as you grow in the class, because the first tell you the tools. Okay, suppose if there is any engineer, if he wants to make anything, first they should to know the tools now, how to use the screwdriver, how to make the circuit, then he will able to make any new things. Geometry is target. So that why arithmetic, your class of mathematics is started with the arithmetic and goes slowly to the geometry. Geo means arithmetic, and I have told you the geometry, polygon, geometry has many branches. This is the target of mathematics, geometry. So out of that many branches, one branch is trigonometry. Okay, one branch is trigonometry. Trigonometry. O is only for suffix, means trigon means triangle. Trigonometry means is the parts of geometry. Just like coordinate, you have read coordinate geometry. It's also a part of geometry. In the class 11, 12th, you will read about calculus and many things. What conic section, how a space rocket is fly off from the ground and race to the moon. So that will be considered in geometry. All the science, whenever we how the earth is moving around the sun will be measured with the help of geometry. This circle and this ellipse, so these all are geometry, and that you will see in the starting geometry was taught in the help of line. This is the line, draw, measurement, angle, and after some times the whole geometry will be transformed in coordinate geometry. Here in the class in the chapter number 7 you can see the geometry, line, equation, angle. In class 12th you will be taught much more in detail. In the class 12th you will be taught trigonometry much more detail. So okay, so geometry, you have seen geometry, the parts of the geometry is trigonometry and coordinate geometry and many things, many important things, calculus, calculus, then you will see function, real number, real analysis, all things are geometry. And arithmetic also is a very broad field. Number system is a branch of arithmetic, because till now pi is an irrational number. How to prove it will require arithmetic knowledge. Real analysis will be done. Okay, so there are many things to be taught in the coming age. So I have told you geometry, special type, some part of the geometry is trigonometry. Some the part of the geometry is also coordinate geometry. In the coordinate geometry, you will find in chapter number 7.3 area of the triangle, and the line is divided midpoint na, just like in line, and the midpoint perpendicular bisector. I have given a lectures, so read it of exercise 7.1. means coordinate geometry. Everything will be discussed in the new form. These provides tools. We have in target geometry, lines, angles, area. In the class 11th, you will be taught about find the area of ellipse. Ellipse means this is the sun and earth is moving around it on an elliptical path. So you will find the area of the ellipse, you will find the area of the circle with the help of coordinate geometry, with the help of calculus. Many things will be there. Function, okay, that will be taught in the class 11th. So let me summarize the actual things. So you have read about the trigonometry. So you may say, means geometry is a big term. This is geometry. In geometry, trigonometry and coordinate geometry, actually means just like this is the trigonometry. Trigonometry means it's a part of geometry. Some topics are included in geometry, and some topics is common in coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry. Yes. So this was the mathematics, arithmetic and geometry. The third one is divided in the last 100 years, 200 years, statistic mathematics. Statistic, that is in your class 10th, chapter number 14 and 15. Probability also is a new mathematics. Probability will use the many theorems, many things about the calculus and coordinate. Means new mathematics has been invented. New. But these were the two. And the probability, you have read something about that, and I will teach you later. So it's not means anything we have read in trigonometry will not be taught in the coordinate geometry. Everything, geometry, lines, you will see. Geometry means triangle. You have read whatever you have read in the geometry, chapter number 6. This is chapter number 6. Coordinate geometry, chapter number 7. And trigonometry, chapter number 8. And after that, 9. Means chapter number 8 is introduction of trigonometry. Chapter number 9 is application of trigonometry. So whatever we have read in geometry, chapter number 6, just like chapter number 5 was there. Where was the chapter number 5? Arithmetic progression in arithmetic. That was the name, arithmetic progression. Chapter number, the two things na, arithmetic and, so chapter number 5 was arithmetic. Arithmetic means numbers. Arithmetic and progression means numbers was increasing, you have to add the numbers. So that was arithmetic portion. Chapter number 4 is coordinate. Actually the function is quadratic equation. So a very good things is also included. New things enters in the mathematics, algebra. Actually earlier this was only the two things. Algebra was started in the class in the 14th century, 14th to 15th century. Earlier in mathematics, you know, just like you write a is equal to pi r square. This is the algebra. Actually algebra, what is algebra? Included arithmetics and geometry both. Algebra. In algebra, just like in arithmetic and geometry, in algebra is also a tool in where you write x plus x is equal to 2x. So this is the formula. You will say, okay sir, if you add two numbers two times, its mean multiply by 2. If you write y plus y plus y is equal to 3y. So you have written a theorem here. Theorem means if you take the value x is equal to 1, so 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 into 1, 2. 4 plus 4 यानी कि 8 is equal to 2 into 4. Means addition is another form of multiplication. Addition, 3 times addition means 3 times multiplication. So whatever means algebra is again a language in which arithmetic is written, in which geometry is written. Just like in algebra, in class chapter number 3rd, in chapter number 3rd, what you have read? Chapter number 3rd. Chapter number 3rd in your class, in this book, x plus y or ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. In chapter number 3rd, linear equation, pair of linear equation. So linear means this is written in algebra but applies to the geometry. So in algebra we use the alphabets to write mathematics. So x plus y to the whole square, whatever formula you have written, x square plus y square plus 2xy, means actually sometimes whatever you do in mathematics, that is just like here. In the general form, if you have to write general form, you use algebra. To write arithmetic, to write geometry, it's again a tool. Just like number was there, but number means specific. If I have measured the length of this scale, then I will write it. But if I will take natural number, whatever will be length will be natural number. No. Natural number not. Real number. Yes. Because natural numbers is not only 1 meter to 1 meter, 1.5 meter maybe also. So arithmetic and you will say algebra. So these I will take another lecture. So that's the things. So in chapter number 3, linear equations, algebra was there. So algebra used for the geometry, line equation and the curve or polygon, function x plus y, x square plus y square is equal to r square. In the class 11th you will be taught x square plus y square is equal to r square is a circle. Just like this is the line and we have the formula about the circle also. So algebra is also having target to tell geometry, to teach, to find out the geometry. So geometry is target and I have told you. So keep this in your mind. Chapter number 6, I will use chapter number 6 in detail if I will teach you detail. Chapter number 6 is the basics. Whatever you have read in chapter number 6, I will start from there to teach chapter number 8 and 9. So this was the classification of mathematics and you have read something about that, and this was the algebra. Algebra is used again for the geometry. So now let me start. You have read, you have understood trigonometry means geometry, chapter number 6, and then trigonometry. So now